Hello, I'm Alena Chapman, founder of Soul Manifesto. And today we're going to talk about meditation for beginners. Now, the most important thing is to take it easy on yourself. You know, meditation is a practice. And I want to give you an incredible way to begin. It really is, especially if you want to do anything that is like a transcendental, where you want to really feel that sweet spot. Okay, then let me get you started. And if you are someone who has been meditating for a while, but hasn't found that sweet spot, well, then this is for you also, because this one is an incredible little meditation I have learned from the Tao. And the Tao Te Ching is a book that Lao Tzu started way back when Confucius was around, okay? So way back. And this is the thing. He was all about living in the flow of life. And the Tao Te Ching is a book that talks about little proverbs, little stories that bring you into the flow and ease of living. It's a way to live, to connect better to source, or just to have that ease and flow. All right, well, when you study more about the belief of the Tao or Taoism, they have a very cool meditation that I am going to show you, and it's a mini meditation. This meditation you can do anywhere and everywhere. So you can do it if you're in your sacred space like I am right here, and you just want to have a short little time before you go on with your day. Or you can do this meditation when you are going into that big giant meeting. And this is one where you're doing a presentation, or you're asking for a promotion, or it's your first day on the job, or some kind of pressure is on you. And you just have to center yourself. And because your stomach is just, you know that feeling when everything is tied up in knots? Okay, this is when you do that meditation, so that you can get that centering and that calm and know how to go in there with intention and purpose, okay? It's also great when the kids are driving you crazy. Just sneak away just for 5 minutes and do this little mini meditation. So what is this miracle little meditation I have for you? Let's begin. First, you get yourself in sort of a comfortable position, the best that you can do wherever you are. And then you're just going to breathe deep. Now, this is the thing. What we're going to do is we're going to breathe deep 3 times. And then on the 4th time, I'm going to ask you to feel the space. But listen to my words, get comfortable, and let's begin. So close your eyes, lower your shoulders, and breathe in a nice, deep breath. All that goodness. And then breathe out things that aren't serving you. All the nervousness, all the tension, all the noise. Breathe in again. Breathe in the spirit and all goodness, and breathe out everything you don't want. Relax a little more. Breathe in again. And breathe out. This time when you breathe in and then you breathe out, feel a little space. Between the in and the out, open yourself up to a space. Breathe in. And breathe out. Did you feel that? Let's do it again. Breathe in. You may open up your eyes. How does that feel? You see, in between that breath, and notice how I slowed down the breaths. There is a space. Did you feel it? I call it the sweet spot. It is a place of everywhere and nowhere. And did you feel how you could hear the noises in the room, but they didn't affect you? That's the vastness. And you do that a few times. And then, well, you tell me, don't you feel more centered, calmer? It's nice, isn't it? All the nerves are gone. The noise, not important. Isn't that a fantastic little break? I love that meditation. And here's the thing. That sweet spot is the spot of transcendental meditation, where people try so hard in transcendental meditation to get to that sweet spot. So all you have to do to get a longer meditation, a transcendental meditation, is to begin like that. And then as you get more confident in it, you just let it take over. And you can stay in that space for 10 minutes, 15, 20, an hour, whatever you like. Kind of cool, huh? That is a very cool place. It's the place of the cosmos. So anytime, anywhere that you feel like you need a centering, this is the meditation for you. And for those who want to increase their meditation, especially the transcendental, this is the exercise for you. It's so interesting because I found this meditation when I was getting very nervous in my speaking, actually in singing. I used to sing. And I found that if I could just slow down my breath, get into that space and that vastness, then I could get myself centered. And just between you and me, then the next thing I would do before I got on stage is I would twirl. Because all of a sudden, I'd free the energy from my body. And I would twirl. And then that always, when I got on stage, I could command that stage and sing. But if I missed those two steps, I couldn't get myself centered. So use this meditation either in beginning and strengthening that feeling, or to increase the meditation you're already doing. I would love for you to comment below. In fact, I would love to know your stories. Do you have little stories like mine where you find this really works? I find it fun, I find it fascinating, and I love to see everyone grow. As always, folks, remember that love is spirit and spirit is love. I love you all, and I'm glad you're part of Soul Manifesto community. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on a single thing. Subscribe below. And here's something else I think you'll enjoy. Namaste.